How to log in Halifax Bank account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First and foremost, open a browser on your device and search for Halifax. Tap on the first suggestion, that is Halifax, or you can even search for www.halifax.co.uk. You will be redirected to the official webpage of Halifax. Now, to go ahead and sign into your account, at the very top you will see the sign in option. Just go ahead and tap on sign in. Now you have to enter your username and your password, then tap on remember my username on this computer. Then you can continue with your login process. If you have forgotten your credential, select the option of forgotten your sign-in details. From here, you have to select what they want you to help with. Go ahead and select what you are facing the trouble, then select the option of continue. From here, you have to select your account type. Once you have selected your account type, you can go ahead and fill out the form at the bottom as well. Now in here, you have to enter your credit card number, first name, last name, and the date of birth. Remember, the layout will differ according to the option that you selected. Once you do this, you'll be able to retrieve your account and log in as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.